Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open TradingView demo account full guide. Open TradingView and sign in, then click Chart to load the workspace, and scroll down to reveal the trading panel. In the trading panel, choose Paper Trading, then click Connect to enable the demo account. This gives you virtual funds to practice without risking real money, and it mirrors real market data for realistic practice. Open the trading panel and choose Paper Trading to connect a demo account to your charting layout, then click Connect to activate simulated trading. Adjust your virtual balance and order settings so you trade under realistic conditions that match your learning goals. Use single-click trading or the order dialog to place market and limit orders, and review fills and positions in the trading panel to refine your workflow and risk rules. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and share with friends who want to learn. Quick recommendation: a convenient water bottle can keep you focused during long chart sessions, and it pairs nicely with your desk setup for steady concentration. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, then now let's get back to the video. Practice with chart tools and the strategy tester to build confidence, using replay mode to practice historical moves and scenarios at your own pace. Place limit and market orders to observe execution behavior and potential slippage, and monitor positions in the trading panel to learn trade management. Save layouts and create alerts for setups you want to revisit, and treat the demo account as a disciplined practice space before trading with real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.